Hello everyone, I am Pragati from elegantspace.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use Ubersuggest keyword research tool to find the best suitable keyword for your website. Okay, actually I have written a blog on it. You can go through the entire process step by step, but anyways I'm going to make a video on it so it will be more beneficial for you. Okay, so I'm going to cover almost everything like what is seed keyword, how to feed it in the Ubersuggest, and what will the CPC of that keyword, their search volume, SEO difficulties, paid difficulties, and the trends volume, everything. So be with me and I will show you how to do it step by step. Okay, so before we start, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. Now in this example I am going to take a seed keyword SEO service and the country as United States, but suppose you want to check the data of this particular keyword for other countries like India or Sri Lanka or something else, then you just have to come here and type India and click on the search button. But as of now I am going to stick with United States, so click on United States and click on search. Now Ubersuggest will show you the data of this particular keyword. So it has around 10,000 search volume per month with the SEO difficulties of 36 and CPC is $26, right? And these are the few keywords idea related to the word we have searched right now. If you click on view all keywords idea, it will show you more keywords related to the search, like SEO services, SEO service Los Angeles, SEO marketing services, SEO service New York, right? Okay, so suppose you want to start a SEO service agency or SEO service company in your area, so it will be great to add the area name or the country name or city name after that. Like suppose you want to start a SEO company in Bangalore, so it will be great to go with SEO services in Bangalore or SEO service in Jayanagar, Bangalore. We have to, the more you expand the keyword, it will be very easy to rank on the first page of Google search result. Obviously the search volume will be less, but the conversion rate will be very high. Now if you go and click on related tab, it will show the keyword idea related to our seed keywords like SEO marketing, SEO optimization, SEO consultant, SEO expert, or WordPress SEO, and yeah, there are so many keywords like digital marketing consultant. It's good keyword, and with 1300 search volume, it's good, we can consider it. Now going back to our session tab, so this is our main keywords SEO service, and if we have to check which website are ranking for this particular keyword, then here is the list of top 100 websites. Okay, so as I have mentioned in my blog, to check or to beat your competitor, first to go and check what they are doing with their website. So we will go one by one and check what the web owners are doing in their websites. Yeah, here we go. This is the website, and see how beautifully he has crafted their website with keyword rich landing page. See, he has embedded SEO service in the title tag, and why is SEO still important? So it's a good keyword. Why SEO is still important. Now see the 10 step to SEO success, again a keyword, then mapping optimization, a great wow, I mean it's a good animation. Now which SEO solution is right for you, local SEO, technical SEO, SEO analytics, like that, affordable SEO packages, SEO essential. See, he has tried to write every keyword related to the SEO, like SEO essentials, standard, premium, enterprise, and he don't want to leave any topic, right? It's good. Now if you'll go back and check the another website, it's Moj. Oh my god, Moj, it's a authority website. No need to check anything here because he has already built an authority but anyways, let's check. Okay, my net is slow, not an issue. So this particular blog is written by Ryan, and the topic is why I stopped selling SEO service and you should too. So he has mentioned the keyword SEO service in the title tag and made the title very attention seeking, right? See, he has written I stopped selling SEO services. So your mind get stuck. Why he has stopped selling the SEO services? Now you will go and read out his article from up to down, no matter what he has written. I guess he has written very good things. That's why he has got lots of comments and around 256 comments. That's huge. Okay, so go like this for each and every website and check what the web owners are doing. Now if you go and check the another keyword like SEO services in India and check this website is came in the top of the search result. Okay, so we'll check what he has done to his website. So here it is, SEO expert India. First of all, he has already mentioned the SEO in his what we say this in the URL or in the domain, so it's get some benefit. But if you ask my suggestion, I don't like going with keyword stuff domain name, because it will bound you. Suppose if this company want to start something else in future, he can't embed the same service in this particular website. Suppose he want to start a hosting company, so will he able to add? No, because if someone land on this page, he will think, oh, this website is only for the SEO experts. So they will just bounce back until unless it's get so many attention. Now looking forward to his website, he has written SEO campaign that drive maximum traffic. So it's a good long tail keyword, and the other keyword are like SEO services India. Okay, I guess this is the second this will be the heading tag. Let's check. Yeah, see, this is the H1 tag, and he has very beautifully embedded inside below this what you say, this banner thing. Now he has written few words about why what are the how they will help, and why SEO is not dead. Even this is the best keyword, why SEO is not dead, because people search nowadays is SEO dead or not, like that. Okay, so this is how we have to go to each website, not each website, at least 4 to 5 website, top website, and see what they are doing, what keywords they are using in their website. That's lead them to the top result of search result of the search engine. Now suppose if we go and search for another keyword like you say how to make a website, how to make a website. So here it is. This is a great keyword and having volume more than 27,000, and it's really difficult to get you know see, even he has told that it's competitive website and there is only 64% chance that your website will rank on the top 20. And see, website org is listed on the first result, then Wix, like that. And these are the few suggestions how to make WordPress for free. People are searching for these keywords also, because there are people who don't want to expend means to expend so much money to start a website. They wanted to start it from minimum wage, minimum amount. So these are the keyword, you can go with that, but I don't like those keyword. It's even it's better to go with how to make a WordPress website. Suppose if I am searching for how to make a WordPress website, then its search volume is 880 and my website is ranked for this keyword. That's why I'm trying to show you, and it's still in 13th position, and it's not good, I know. But if we switch here to India, let's check for India, and refresh the research. Yeah, here we go. Now my website is on the 7th position, and I am getting not that much, 25. It's showing 25. It's not exact number, estimated visits, but I'm getting more than this. Not that much, but around 50-60 visitors a day for this particular research, because the search volume very less, only 1000, and these are the few top rated website who has already taking all the visitors, and mine is 7th. If my website will jump up to part 2, then I will start getting lots of visitors, because I am not working lots of, so it's like that. Now if we go to what are the related keyword to this to this search phrase, then we'll get so many, like e-commerce, web design, how to create a website, how to create a website for free. And if we'll start embedding these keywords in our blog post, then I'm definitely sure that your website will rank in top 10 of the search result, like mine has ranked. Okay, now I'll show you how to use filters, and for that I'm going to change the keyword phrase with cake recipe. Now it's this is the seed keyword and having a search volume of more than 2 lakhs, and it's really tough to get rank for this particular keyword. But if your website is related to the cake recipe and you want to get the keyword for your website, so we have to use filters. Okay, now before that, let me tell you one more thing. The minimum search SEO difficulties, try to get the keyword having the minimum search difficulty, and if you are very new, then try to put it below 15 or 20. That would be very better for you. I am going to take the minimum value would be 20. Okay, let's make it 15 and apply it. Okay, so now we have got I guess okay, as a difficulty. Okay, sorry, I have to put it here in maximum 15. Now put apply. So these are the few keywords which has SEO difficulties below 15, and these are literally good. Cake recipe in Hindi. Suppose you are belongs to India and want to start your website which deals in Hindi language, then this is a great choice. Now the cake recipe of eggless cake recipe videos, cake recipe without eggs, it's good because most of people don't want to put egg, means put egg, they don't like it. And cake recipe veg, cake recipe eggless in cooker, there are people who also want to, they don't have so many utensils for that, and they want to make the cake in cooker also. So even the search volume is very much, it's 1600, so you can try over it. And if you go and check the related keywords, so these are the related keyword which says in Hindi. And why it is showing most of, okay, so because I have chosen this country and India. If you go and switch to in United States, then I am pretty sure they won't show this one. Yeah, now they are showing angel food cake recipes, best chocolate cake recipe, ice cream cake recipes. So these are the few keywords that you can consider while writing your blog post, and I'm pretty sure you will definitely get the great bunch of keywords idea from this awesome tools. And I literally love this and thumbs up, yeah, because Neil has taken over this. Previously it was known as Ubersuggest.io, but he has acquired this company and has made few changes with the great user experience, as we can see now. Now this is the best thing you have ever seen. And I would also like to show you one more thing. Suppose you want to check the how your competitors are working, what are the what are the keywords they have ranked for, then you can go here and type their domain name. Suppose I am going to type neilpatel.com because I am using his website, so it's better to go with him. He won't get offended. Oh my god, see, he has more than 4 lakhs, it's like around 5 lakh organic keywords. It's amazing, yes, really amazing app. And now he has domain score of 64. And yeah, one more thing, suppose your domain name is ranked between 0 to 100. The more number you get, the better chances that you will rank your website or your post in the Google search result. And now these are the few top SEO page of Neil Patel's Google AdWords made simple, affiliate marketing, SEO made simple. These are the few guides. And if we'll go and open the keywords hard page tab to this domain name, just like that you have to go and check. Suppose I am going to check how to start a blog and generates $3,800 a month. So if we'll go here and click view all, it will show every keyword related to this particular blog which drives traffic. So these are the keywords which Neil Patel are getting visitors. How to start a blogger, how to start a blogger, okay, how to start blogging, how to start blog, how to start a blogger, blogging, where to start. These are a few keywords. Like this you can go and check other URL also. Online marketing made simple, 4 reason why you need to chat live, okay, yeah. And then like that you can go and check every other competitors of your niche. And I guess I am very clear about finding the keyword and how to check the backlinks of the other website, even for your website of your own website. Suppose you can also write your own website name here, dot dot dot, whatever it is, and it will show you all the details. Now hey guys, if you like this video, I think I will get some share count and subscriber likes, whatever you want to give. Just give me like, dislike, anything. It will really help me to make another videos. If you like, then please give me a genuine comment below. I will definitely help you in the next videos also. Thank you.